Run Postman collections using Newman and Python by Balasundar. In this article, we are going to run a Postman collection using the Newman and send the output of the Newman command through email. Requirements: Postman, npm, Newman, Python 3, Postman. Postman is a collaboration platform for API development. Postman's features simplify each step of building an API and streamline collaboration so you can create better APIs faster. Read more. Download and install Postman. Newman. Newman is a powerful command line collection runner for Postman. It allows you to run and test a Postman collection directly from the command line. Newman maintains feature parity with Postman and allows you to run collections the same way they are executed inside the collection runner in Postman. Installation: execute the below command to install Newman into your system. Offline mode: export Postman collection. Follow the below steps to export the collection from Postman. Select the collection. Right-click, select export, save the file, run Newman. Now we are ready to run the collection using Newman. Options: E is used to provide Postman environment. G is used to provide Postman global variables. Example: $Newman run path to collection name .postman collection JSON a path / environment _file / environment _name postman environment.json. Online mode: get Postman API key. To access our collections using Postman API, first we have to get the API key from Postman. You can generate your Postman API key by visiting Postman API keys page. Click on Generate API key. Give a name to your API key. Copy the API key to clipboard. We need the ID of the collection in order to access it through Postman API. The collection _ID can be retrieved from the Postman Collections API. API URL api.getpostman.com/collections.add the API key which you copied earlier in the Postman request header. Send the request. Now you can find the ID of the collection in the API's response. A collection can be accessed by using the Postman Collections API. API URL sample: api.getpostman.com/collections/collection_ID. Run your collection using Newman. The both commands, online and offline, will return the same output. Now we came to our primary task, which is running the Newman and send the output test report through email using Python. Let's do that. Run the code. Let's assume the program's name as Newman report.py, collection name as sample collection, Postman collection, JSON in the environment, file name as sample_environment, postman_environment, JSON. We made it. Schedule the execution of the program using a cron job, so that whenever the program is getting executed, you will receive the test report via email. Thanks for reading. Please share your feedback and suggestion. Did you find this article valuable? Support Balasundar by becoming a sponsor. Any amount is appreciated. Sponsor, share this.